Hi everyone! I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. No matter what models you are using, there is a chance that you may get troubled by a common issue, which is iPhone stuck on the Apple logo or iPad stuck on Apple logo. It's such a hassle when you see that your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo and won't even load the home screen. It even happens to newer models like the iPhone 16. Thankfully, your phone probably isn't broken. There are several solutions when your iPhone is stuck showing the Apple logo. If you failed to get rid of the stuck white or black Apple logo with Force Restart, here comes with a user-verified way. Try to download Tenorshare ReiBoot on your Windows or Mac. This software focuses on fixing 150 and more I/O system issues, including the typical iPhone stuck on Apple logo issue. ReiBoot EOS System Repair is your go-to solution for fixing various iDevice system issues without data loss. With its advanced AI technology, this EOS repair tool can efficiently diagnose and fix any update issues, stuck and network problems. And this software works for Windows and Mac user. Easy to use, even beginner can use it. Download and install ReiBoot to computer to fix stuck and restart Apple logo. And run ReiBoot, and connect your device to the computer. In the ReiBoot interface, you can use any tools to solve problems on your iDevice. Enter or exit recovery mode, or easily downgrade and upgrade your device and other features. For this case, we will solve Fix Stuck Apple logo. Click Start on the main interface. You can select Standard Repair or Deep Repair. I recommend you try Standard Repair. Safely repair common I/O system issues like iPhone stuck on Apple logo, iPhone stuck in recovery mode while preserving device data. Go to Fix Now option and click on Standard Repair button. Make sure your device is connected to ReiBoot. Then ReiBoot will automatically find a suitable firmware for your device. Download the firmware package for your iPhone online by clicking Download. Then wait for the firmware download process for your iPhone. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Please wait until the download process is complete to overcome stuck, freeze, and restart on your device. After downloading, you can get your iPhone started to fix by clicking Start Standard Repair. ReiBoot will automatically repair your device. Please make sure your USB cable remains connected. Just wait for a while. Then your iPhone can be fixed successfully. Follow the on-screen to use your iPhone. After you see the complete page, it means your device has been successfully repaired by ReiBoot. Then your device will restart automatically. Go back to your device and wait until your device turning on. And complete the setup screen. Don't worry, your data will be safe because you use standard repair without losing data. As you can see, this iPhone has been successfully resolved from getting stuck, freezing and restarting at the Apple logo using ReiBoot. And my device is back to normal again. I really like this tool because it is easy to use and very simple. It doesn't require too much skill to solve your iPhone and iPad, which are experiencing boot loop problems and are stuck on the Apple logo and won't turn on normally. And ReiBoot can also solve your iDevice problems without deleting the data on your iPhone and iPad devices. Please try and download ReiBoot now if you have the same problem. You can download ReiBoot on their official website, or you can see the download link in the description. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below so I will help you to fix this issue, and see you on the next video.